Hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Edward here. So today we're doing a quick flight of FT Mini Mustang, which is here, before we fly off for real tomorrow. So it's gonna rain real soon. Wind is strong. I'll give it a try. Let's go. So I've forgotten to bring a buzzer. There's a lot of what's going on. Why is it like this? Hey, there's different roll rate on left and right. No, I think that's okay. So let's do it. Wind is from the back. Did you see that? Okay, let's do it. There's the wind. What the f? Not enough of roll authority, and then it's a little bit of damage. Oh crap, my fuselage. That sucks, you know. Let's try that again. It's too windy and rolling to the right, it seems. It's a bit too windy. Shit. That sucks. I don't have enough of roll authority. And enough engine speed or prop speed thrust as well. That sucks. Do some repair. Aileron. I'll give you more aileron. Let's try that. I thought that wasn't enough aileron. My fuselage is bent, is it? Maybe this propeller is not suitable. Maybe a 3 cell. As you can see, it's super windy. It's simply too windy and not fun at all to fly. I think the problem is the thrust. I think the plane is fine. That sucks. I think the plane is fine, it's just that it's too windy. Too bad. So much work. That's what I get. Alright, sorry about that. I'll fly again, try again when I came back. Repair this. Easy repair. And then there'll be a part 2. So if you'd like to see more video, please like and subscribe and share this video as well. Bye.